Hello friends, welcome to the lesson 5 of spellings. Okay, and in this lesson today we are just going to talk about y, right? When to keep it and when to remove it. So change a final y to I. So if there is a y in the end of the word, we will be removing I and we will be writing I. In which situation? Before a suffix. Okay, so if we have like any of the suffix es, ed, whatever it is, so what we will be doing, we will be removing this y and instead of this y we'll write I, unless the suffix begins with I. Okay, let's say if the suffix is already with I, like ing, at that time we will keep it. For example, if I talk about like this, the first one we have party with y and here we have es, parties. So how we gonna write it? We will remove y and we will keep this I here. Instead of y, we will write I. So it becomes parties, T-I-E-S. But at the same time, if we have y, but the suffix is ing. So we have this I here. So we will not remove this y and write like this. Okay. So now you cannot write like this. Double I. Try ing. No, this is wrong. So it will be, you have to keep this y. T-R-Y-I-N-G. Okay. So we have other examples also. Try plus es. So it becomes tries. We will remove this I and we will write I. Try plus ed. It becomes tried without y. Justify plus es becomes justifies. Okay. So we will remove this y and we will keep this I. Then study. We will remove this y and we will write studies. Laboratory. We will remove y and write laboratories, I-E-S. Then we have cry. We will remove it, this y, and we will write like this, cry. Okay. So we will remove y in the end of the word if we are going to add any of the suffix. But at the same time, if we are going to add ing, then we have to keep it. Like try, trying, copy. So we'll keep it as it is. It becomes copying. Justify, justifying, we will keep this I. Certify plus ing, certifying. We will be keeping this y. Buy, buying, delay, delaying, study, studying. So in these situations we will be keeping ing. Now we'll take another example. Fry. Fry. Okay. So if I am going to add it ing, it will become like this, frying. So we will keep this y, we will not remove it. But at the same time, if I just want to add ed, okay, so ed means how I will be writing it, fried. I will remove this y. Then apply. It will become applying. Keeping this I, applied, and we will remove this y if we are going to add ed. Another example we will take, dry. It is dried. We will remove this y, ing, drying. So we will keep it. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So when you are going to add ing, with going to add ing as a suffix, we do not remove y from the end of the word, but at the same time, if we are going to add any other suffix, so we will change y to I. Okay, I hope this lesson is clear to you. So you can stay tuned with me to learn more of these kind of spelling rules. Okay.